Namaskar everyone, I Neil Desai from Neura Global Kids. Welcome to our Montessori method presentation. Let's pray to God. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvashvah तस्तवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तस्तवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Rub your palm. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly, kids. Namaskar everyone. Let's start our math presentation. Okay. Today we are going to do presentation about we do in the last video and then after our new presentation. In the last video we learn. Tell me what we learn. Okay, kids. So here I put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ring, and I have to find the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I put the 6 ring. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here I have to put the number 3. So tell me, kids, which is the smaller number here? Yes, 3 is a smaller number. Why 3 is a smaller number? Because 3 has less quantity. Because 3 has less quantity and 6 is a bigger number. Why 6 is a bigger number? Because 6 is a more quantity. Because 6 is a more quantity. So in the last video we learn smaller number and bigger number, right? Which has less quantity is the smaller number and which has a more quantity is the bigger number. So kids, next let's do next number. Okay, now you have to tell me which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number. Okay, kids. Kids, now I take a numbers. Tell me which number is this? Which number is this? Yes, this is the number 2. And which number is this? This is the number 8. Now you have to tell me which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number. Let's see how many quantity both has. 2. So here we have to put a 2 rings. 1, 2. And which number is this? 8. Here I have to put 8 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here we can say 2 has a less quantity, so it is a smaller number, and 8 has a more quantity, so 8 is a bigger number. So I hope you understand this concept. Now today what we have to do? Today what we have to do, kids? Do you see what is this? Do you know what is this? This is the sign. This is the sign to know which number is big and which number is less. This is the sign of less than. This is the sign of less than. This is the sign for greater than or bigger than. This is the sign of greater than or bigger than. And this is the sign of equal to. This is the sign for equal to. Less than or smaller than, bigger than or greater than, and equal to. This is the sign. Here for what we use this sign? हम किसके लिए ये sign use करेंगे kids? Let's see. Okay kids? Okay kids, we see the sign of greater than, smaller than and less than. Now let us do how we use this sign. Here I take 2 rings and 1. So here I keep number 2 and here I put a 1, 2, 3 and 4 bars. Okay, here I put a 4 bars. So I have to put here number 4. Now tell me which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number? Yes, this is smaller number because it has only 2 rings, and it is a bigger number because it has 4 bars. More quantity and less quantity. Now we have to use the sign. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो दिखना है, जो नंबर बिग होगा, जो जिसके पास मोर क्वांटिटी होगी, उसकी तरफ ये जो है वो साइन ग्रेटर देन की साइन लगेगी. तो नाउ टेल मी द साइन. दिस इज द साइन. ओके, नाउ टेल मी दिस इज less than, this is greater than and this is smaller than. ओके, तो जिस भी तरफ, जो भी तरफ मोर क्वांटिटी है उसकी तरफ इस ये जो ओपन है, ओपन स्पेस रहेगी. सो दिस इट हैज़ मोर क्वांटिटी. सो हियर वी हैव टू पुट दिस साइन. वी कैन से लाइक 2 is less than 4. How we introduce this? 2 is less than 4. मतलब 2 जो है वो 4 से लेस है, कम है. सो वी कैन यूज दिस साइन लाइक दैट. यहाँ पे हमें ये देखना है कि जिस तरफ मोर क्वांटिटी है उसकी तरफ ये जो साइन है उसका स्पेस ओपन होगा. ठीक है. Now let's take another number kids. Okay, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have to number 5 and here I am going to take 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to put number 3, right? So here which is the bigger number? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rings. So 5 and here 1, 2 and 3. Here is a 3. So 5 is bigger number and 3 is a smaller number. Now which sign we have to? Yes, we have to use this sign because 5 is greater than 3. ठीक है, जो नंबर बड़ा होगा उसकी तरफ ये जो साइन है उसका माउथ ओपन रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे है 5 की, और 5 जहाँ पे मोर क्वांटिटी है उसकी तरफ उसका माउथ ओपन रहेगा. तो ये इसको हम कैसे रीड कर सकते हैं? 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3 because this is the sign of greater than. 5 is greater than 3. Okay, now let's take a new. Okay, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is the 7 ring, and here I also put the number 7. Now tell me kids, how many rings are here? 7. And how many color bar here? 7. Means these two, both the quantities are in the same amount. ये दोनों जो क्वांटिटी है वो सेम अमाउंट में है, मतलब इक्वल है. तो यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे इक्वल टू की साइन. कौन सी साइन लगाएंगे यहाँ पे हम? इक्वल टू. इक्वल टू मतलब इक्वल मतलब दोनों सेम है ना. यहाँ पे भी 7 है, यहाँ पे भी 7 है, मतलब ये सेम अमाउंट है. तो ये है जो हम सीख रहे हैं आज, वो है कंपैरिजन. क्या है वो आज? कंपैरिजन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न कंपैरिजन. ये तो हमने क्वांटिटी और नंबर के साथ कंपैरिजन किया. इसी तरह से हम सिर्फ नंबर्स का भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं अभी आपको सिर्फ 1 से 10 तक की नंबर्स के कंपैरिजन आपको बताऊंगी और आप मुझे बताओगे इनमें से कौन सी साइन हम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे. ठीक है किड्स? ओके. विच नंबर इज दिस किड्स? यस, दिस इज द नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3? Yes, it is comes on the ones place. And which number is this? This is number 1. What is the place value of 1? Yes, this is the place on the ones place. Now tell me which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number? 3 is a bigger number and 1 is a smaller number. Which sign we have to put here? Yes, greater than. So here we have to put the sign greater than, because 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Okay. Then after two and 8. This is number 2 and this is number 8. So here which sign is coming? Which is the smaller number? 2 is the smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So here we have to put this sign. Open mouth at the 8th side. 2 is smaller, less than 8. 2 is less than 8. Then after, this is number 6 and here I have to keep number 6 also. Now tell me which sign will come here? Both the number are same. So here we have to put the equal to. Here we have to put the equal to. Now tell me what we did today? Yes, today we are going to comparison. Today we are going to do presentation about comparison. Greater than, less than, equal to. This is the sign of comparison. Greater than, less than, equal to. I hope you understand this topic very well. Goodbye everyone.